Welcome back, everybody. It's your girl Opinionated Ray, and I'm back with another amazing hair tutorial.
It is your boyfriend on the video.
So I went to the Soul Train Awards 2 weeks ago, and after I posted some photos on Instagram, a few ladies asked me what I was wearing, but I had to fix my crazy backdrop because it looked like I didn't have an extra wall, so I made one. But here we are. It's gonna look amazing. So yes, back to this hairstyle. I wore this to the Soul Train Awards, and a lot of ladies asked me about it on Instagram. So I wanted to go back and do a tutorial to show y'all how to do it. So I'm gonna start with this Jamaican black castor oil. My hair has been very, very dry in the back during this winter time, so I am definitely just trying to retain all the moisture that I can. Normally I use a bunch of oil-based products, so I don't know what's going on this winter, but we're gonna keep the moisture as much as we can. Oil, oil, oil. For me, at least. Oh, this feels so good. Alright, so I'm gonna start to make my parts. If you know me, follow me on YouTube before, you know I'm not really a fan of combs. I would definitely have a brush, but I'm not too much big of a fan of a comb. I use my combs for fluffing, but here we go. I'm gonna put all this hair up and away so I can just focus on what I need to. I'm gonna start with this DAX Pomade. I've been using this since I was a little girl. It's amazing. I'm running out. I need to get more. And of course, it wouldn't be right without my curl enhancing smoothie. Y'all know, again, if you follow me on YouTube before, you know that is my go-to product for everything, my twist outs, my braids, everything that I do. I don't know, I love it. And it keeps my hair really soft and smooth. Definitely another, everyday moisturizer. But it definitely also defines my curls. And it's just, look at that, look at that. It's amazing, amazing. And I know it's gonna come out looking great. And that is what we're gonna do for the back. We're just gonna twist out the whole thing. You ladies can twist out any way you want to. So again, this is the hairstyle that I wore to the Soul Train Awards. I got an invitation at the very last minute. I was super excited to go and to attend because I got to see everybody in person, from Ashanti to Jasmine Sullivan, Ari Lennox. They were amazing, amazing. Summer Walker as well. I was mad because I definitely left before the Maxwell performance, but I was tired. Like, I didn't realize that when you come to the taping of an award show, look at that curl, y'all. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna start with my Garnier Fructis Curl Renew Reactivating Milk Spray. It's definitely a great product if you want to revitalize and rejuvenate your curls, or you can, twist them. But again, it was amazing, amazing, amazing time. But I'm glad that I can help you ladies out with this new hairstyle. Maybe you can try it for an award show, or maybe your next event, date, whatever it may be. I hope it gets you a man. I don't know. I definitely had a guy compliment me on this hairstyle, and he almost tried to touch my hair. No, that was just wild. But it's okay. I definitely checked him. That's not the thing to do. I let him know that. I don't know why guys just think that's okay. Like, I mean, I'm very, very, particular about my hair, but don't just come up to me trying to touch my hair or pet me like that. Like, that's giving me Karen vibes, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Alrighty, so now we are going to use the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Gel. Honestly, this is probably the best edge gel that I found that actually keeps my edges together. I've used so many other ones before from different brands, like Lot of Body. I've definitely used a few from SheaMoisture as well. But for some reason, like I said, they just don't keep my curls intact. But here we are with this one. Again, two-strand twist. So the key to it is really just pulling in more hair as you go along. Literally, you just separate your hair into 2 separate strands, and then you continue to twist and twist and twist. And as you go on along, you're pulling more hair, but decide which side you want to pull your hair from. So here we go. We're going to start again. I'm going to take this one down completely. Again, my part is already made. If you haven't made yours, you can pause the video for a second and make it. It's okay. I'm not going anywhere. And I'm going to use my milk spray just to get that a little moist. I have some more curl enhancing smoothie cream, and of course the edge gel. So I kind of want to get it a little bit smooth before I start. Again, you see how I'm taking the front of my hair. Again, I'm going to make a part. Okay. See, now I'm separating and I'm literally going up and down. I'm separating and I'm going back. Okay, let's try this again. I definitely messed up on this one in the beginning, but I definitely got it. Here we go. Here's a better one. All right, so we got a lot further here with this one. Again, it's all about how much hair you're pulling as you're going along. You have to pull and pull as tight as you possibly can. I'm not saying pull to make your brains hurt, because I'm not doing that, but definitely pull to, you know, where your hair is tight enough so that's the in position. See, there we go. We'll give it somewhere. Alright, so now I'm going to tie them around into bent knots. Yep, just like that. And do this little one as well. So yeah, this style literally should take you no more than 30 minutes. It's super fast, super quick and easy. It's not hard to do, even if you are still learning how to two-strand twist, okay? All right. So now we are over onto the end. For some reason, the hair on this side of my head is thinning out. I'm not sure what is going on. I recently got some hair, skin, and nail pills, so I'm going to see what's going on and see if I can get that side of my hair to start going back a lot thicker like the rest, because we can't have that. We cannot have that thin out edges. And we are almost done with this one. So see, as you do them, they do get a little bit easier. You do start to, you know, just twist them up naturally tighter. And yeah, there's the second one that I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna combine these two when I do the Bantu knot, just because again, my hair is thinning out on this side, so I don't want to put too much strain on. I can combine these two so it looks thicker and bigger, like the rest of them this time. If your Bantu knots don't stay, get a bobby pin and get it together. It'll work, I promise. So I'm definitely gonna fix this one just because it definitely looks a lot bigger than the rest. I need to separate it. Again, see, I have no problem with my hair being thick in this area, but in others, it's kind of a bit of a problem. But thank you all for tuning in this far and watching this video. I'm glad you have not clicked off this yet. Thank you so much. Ooh. Alrighty, let's see what this is looking like. Okay, girl, you did that. Okay, you did that. This is my favorite part though. But yes, I could rock this style honestly for a couple days. And I would not even take the twist down at all. See? No. Nope. Nope. I ain't doing it. I ain't. Shrinkage is real. Look at that. Just gonna put a little bit more on my edges just so I can make sure they look good in the morning. I'm definitely gonna wrap these up because I don't have time for messiness. Just another view of the twist closer up. Now, excuse me, I had some Kool-Aid before I went to bed. I don't know why I did that. I was not expecting my lips to be that red. And as you can see from my eyes, I am so tired. I had a long day today just for work and everything. So I am happy to put this hairstyle up and take my butt to bed. But we're back. So yes, again, I just really unraveled all of the twists in the back and I fluffed it out a little bit. I'm gonna do it some more actually, just because this is never big enough. But yeah, so again, start from the bottom, use your comb, or if you have a pick, sometimes I will use a pick as well. And just fluff. Don't separate your curls, just fluff. It'll make the roots a lot bigger and make your hair sit up more. I even do this with all of my twist outs, like just taking the twist apart and then fluffing, that's all. Untwist and fluff, untwist and fluff. Because your hair can never be too big. So yes, thank you so much ladies for tuning in. I hope you're truly inspired by this hairstyle. I hope y'all took some notes. I hope y'all recreate this look and make it 10 times better. I just want to see what y'all do. Again, I'm going to fluff and fluff and fluff. Who knows? You might catch another video from me before the end of the year. I'm not making any promises because I couldn't even promise about this one. But you guys got it. So let me know what you think. Hit like, subscribe, drop a hand in the comments, and let me know what you guys want to see. Bye. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay, yeah, here we go. Yeah.